Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we discussed what are Python modules and how we can use them. In this video, we will continue in that direction. Modules are used to organize the codes well, and packages are a bit more higher in hierarchy. So Python packages is simply like a directory. It has some Python modules or Python code, and then it has a special Python file which is actually this init.py file. Okay, and that what makes it a package. Okay, so you can think of something like a collection of modules that is placed in a directory, that is your package. Okay, also Python version 3.3 onwards, even you don't need to keep this particular file in your packages even. Okay, so let us see how we can create packages and how we can use them. So let us create actually a new project to understand it better. So let us say we want to create a new project. Simply click on file and say new project, and let us say call it packages. Okay, and so we will use virtual environment for this project as well, separate one, and we will use 3.9. So you can see what various options you have available here. So in my machine I have 3.7 as well, 3.6 as well, so but we will use the 3.9 one and simply create the project. So it will ask if you want to reuse the current uh, window or you want to create a new one. So I will create a new window simply. So it will create the virtual environment and then it will be ready to be used. Okay. Okay, great. Our setup is ready. So let us dive in and see how we can create packages. So let us clean this project. So we will write our own code here. So let us say we want to create some packages and some sub packages and some modules. And let us see how we can import them. Okay. So let us say we want to create a new package name my packages, let us say. So you click on new. So first you click on your project and let us click on right click on that, and then you say new and then say Python packages. Okay, and say create packages, and let us say I want to create name my package. Okay, and simply click enter, it will create. And by default it creates init.py itself, so you don't need to create that as well. And let us say we want to create a module here, and let us name it module 1, and let us create another sub package in this my package. Okay, let us and then you need to click on right click on my package and then select package again. Okay, so that will create another package. Let us say we want to name it like sub package, and let us create another module inside sub packages, and let us call it module 2. Okay, and let us now add some code in these modules and then see how we can access them. So let us say we want to create a string object here, and let us call it hello from sub package, and let us create numbers is equal to 1 2 3 4, and let us add some differentiable numbers from sub package. Okay, and let us define a function. Let us say greet and name, and let us say greetings, and let us say good morning, and let us return a formatted string f hello, and simply say name and say simply greetings. Okay, and that's it for this module. And let us control A and control alt L to properly format it. And let's copy the same code and paste in our module 2 and simply change few things like this is hello from package and hello from package, number from package. And instead of saying good morning, let us say we want to ask how are you. Okay, but we will keep the same name, so we will keep it the same to understand a specific use case of edge in Python importing. So let us see that how we can import these in our main file. Okay, so we can simply say from packages my package dot subpackage dot module2 import string, import numbers and greet. Okay, now let us access them. Print string and let us say print numbers, and let us call our function as well, greet Raj Nath Dave. Okay, let us run and see it. What I did is here. So what we did here is actually, so you call my package, the name of the package, and then use dot to access the sub packages, even modules as well. Okay, so it's fairly simple. I think it should be very easy to understand. Let us run and see it. So you see hello from sub package, so it has accessed sub package string, which is module 2, and the numbers as well from sub package, and also it says hello Rajnath Patel, good morning. So let us import from module 1, which is a module of package, my package. So we will import them from scratch. Let us my package dot module for numbers and greet. Now if I will run it, I will get the attributes and function from this module. Okay, let us run and see it. I see it says hello from package 123 number from package, and now it says hello Rajnath Patel, how are you, which is coming from this code. Now how we can use both of them, that's where this edge keyword comes really handy. Okay, which we have seen like how we can rename the functions, attribute names, importing from various modules. So let us simply rename these, like let us say as substring, and also simply say as subnumber. That's also we can call greet as subgreet. Now we can access both of them. Now if we run this, it will use these, and if we will simply add like print substring, print subnumbers, or print subgreet, and then let us say Raj Kumar. Okay, this part of code is using from module 2. Okay, let us run and see it. You see the first part is coming from module 2, and then this part is coming from module 1, which is, you can see it is sub package, and this is from package. Okay, so I think that should be clear. Let us see one more thing in package organization. So in general you will see like your init.py is empty, but you can make use of it to provide more easier way of importing your resources in various packages and sub packages. So let us see how we can do that. So simply you can use the topmost init.py. In this case we will use the one in my package to import the modules and attributes that we want to make available to the user. Okay, so simply we can import them here instead of importing in main. So you can simply copy, cut and paste here. And now instead of doing the import for like long sub package and module import, we can simply say from my package import. So I will simply say string numbers greet, and also we can say sub string sub number and subgrade. You see, it is much more clearer to the user, and also it is not seen to the user like how you have renamed these module or strings in your import statements. So this is how you can use even the init.py. So instead of this, you can simply use this instead, the relative import. So that is much better. So let us run and see it. You see, it is the same. So I hope it should be clear. I hope it is clear now. And we will stop here in this video. So in the next video, we will talk about um, Python IO operations, where we will learn like how we can read and write files. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And bye for now. Take care. See you in the next.